Hey everybody, it's Lon Simon with another unboxing. This is another device that came in free of charge through GearBest.com. This is the Teclast F6 Pro, and this is a 2-in-1 that is powered by a Core M3 processor, and they're selling this at the moment for $500, but as you know, they often have sales and all that kind of stuff. So let's take a look and see what we got here. And sometimes with these Chinese laptops, it's kind of a hit or miss thing. Sometimes the build quality is great. Other times it looks nice, but may not be as good as you hope it would be. And we'll be putting this thing through its paces on my main channel at lon.tv. Looks pretty nice though out of the box here. It really does kind of seem like it has some decent quality to it. It's all metal. Like another Teclast we looked at, they have a spot here for you to swap out the M2 SATA drive so you can easily get at its storage. The RAM on these are usually not upgradable. This one has 128 gigs built in, and I believe it's got, I'm not sure how much RAM it has. I'll have to look it up. 8 gigs of RAM. So DDR3 RAM though, not DDR4, but it does have 8 gigs of RAM. Looks like a pretty decent 2-in-1. There's a fingerprint reader here on the trackpad too. Not a bad deal for $500. We'll check out the keyboard and see if it lights up as well. So that is the computer itself, and Corey here will be doing some testing on it to see what it is capable of. Let's see what else is in here. We've got a few other things. So this looks like some manuals and stuff, and as expected, this is mostly in Chinese, but maybe they've got some English stuff here. Maybe, maybe not. So we'll play around with that. And that is that. Here is the power adapter. I'll have to get my trusty adapter out. Oddly, it has a USB Type-C port, but the power adapter is not using USB-C, so that must be plugging in over here. But we're going to try out the USB Type-C plug on it and see if it works. They do have these neat little covers over the USB ports. So that's a good little protection there, and it looks like it's got a micro SD card slot there too. So we're going to try out that USB-C port and see if we can power it without having to go find my adapter here for the other thing. Let's see what's in this spot here. Does not appear to be anything in that portion of the box or this one. So these are just fillers here. Everything else is in there. So power cord and the laptop itself. We're going to start testing this thing. Full review coming up very shortly on the main channel at lon.tv, so stay tuned.
This channel is brought to you by the lon.tv supporters, including gold level supporters, the Black Eyed and Blues Music Hour podcast, Chris Allegretta, Steve Blixt, Stanley Taub, and Kalyan Kumar. If you want to help the channel, you can by contributing as little as $1 a month. Head over to lon.tv/support to learn more. And don't forget to subscribe. Visit lon.tv/s.